Hello and welcome to Rev Sports. I'm Gargi Raut. I'm here at the Eden Gardens, as you can tell from the little bit of reflection that you can see behind me off the stadium. But it's the first optional practice session of the series between India and South Africa. And of course, obviously, after the white ball series that we've seen in Australia, all eyes now shift towards the red ball series, the two-match test series between India and South Africa. It's going to be one important one. South Africa will pose a challenge for India. And in the A games that we've seen, South Africa in that second game chased down 421 runs. So it's going to be quite a challenge for India. This is an important two test matches. But here to give you an update of what all is going on, like I said, the first optional practice session. So not all of the squad is here. Of course, some of them only traveled last night from the India A games. Some of them got here day before yesterday from Australia. So it's a long, journey that all the players have taken. But as of now, we're seeing Gautam Gambhir, Mone Mokal and Sitanshu Kotak, all three of them having a chat near the pitch, where the pitch only some while ago was being rolled by the heavy roller. It looks like a classic Eden Gardens pitch, offering quite a lot for the seamers. The other thing is, when it comes to the players, I can see Sai Sudarshan, I can see Washington Sundar, and I actually can't see that far, but as of now, it's early in the practice session. So we're seeing Sai Sudarshan, we're seeing Yashasvi Jaiswal, we're seeing Washington Sundar warming up and doing some drills here. So that's the latest update. Some of the squad has landed up at the Eden Gardens, and of course we will be covering all and giving you all the updates throughout the day. South Africa practice after India after this, so we will be giving you those updates as well. But as of now, this is what is going on at the Eden Gardens. Apart from Washington and Sai, we're also seeing Jasprit Bumrah warming up at the moment, and of course the conversation here is about the pitch, about the playing 11. Does Dhruv Jurel, after those back-to-back centuries, find a place in the playing 11? Considering the pitch, does Kuldeep Yadav make it into the playing 11? What will the combination be like if Dhruv Jurel does come in? Who loses their place? Will it be Sai Sudarshan, who has been promised a long rope at number 3, or will it be a Nitish Kumar Reddy, who has also been promised a long rope? Also has been said by the management that they want to groom him as the next seaming all-rounder for Team India. So these are the conversations that are being had. We can also see that at the pitch, Gautam Gambhir and Shujon Mukherjee, the pitch curator, are having a long chat. Ryan ten Carter is also warming up. He will be part of the proceedings as well. But as of now, we're seeing Sai Sudarshan, we're seeing Washington Sundar and Jasprit Bumrah at the ground warming up, and soon we'll start their net session as well.